Start to go into a quiet space. Close your eyes, and for some, maybe just a soft, gentle gaze. And just become present in this moment. Letting go of all your thoughts, all your worries. I want you to imagine this beautiful white light entering into the space as it comes down. It covers you, and I want you to imagine that this light coming in is the peace of God. And just imagine receiving it to the best of your ability. Let it come in. Let your heart and your body and your mind be filled with the beautiful peace and the presence of God. And now I just want you to imagine even going deeper into this silence, into this peace. Surrendering to it. Giving yourself over to it. Literally imagining you're being held by the hands of God. Allow yourself to go deeper into this presence, deeper into this peace, deeper into this love. And now give yourself permission to be receptive. God, sometimes it's hard for me, sometimes I don't understand, but I really, really want to be able to receive you, to receive your love, to receive your blessings. But I know there's times when I get blocked, and I really, really want to let this go, God. I know you have so much for me. And so I'm placing this doubt, this fear, this guilt right back into your hands. God, I'm letting go. I'm surrendering to you. I'm surrendering to this process as best I can. Show me, God. Teach me, God. God, let me remember who I am. That I'm worthy to receive all of your love and all of your blessings. That your joy is in giving. And there's times when I just need to be able to receive. And God, for those times when I can't, I really surrender it and put it back in your hands. God, I'm going to be strong, and I'm just going to say, I'm willing to receive. I'm receiving, God. I'm receiving now. I'm willing to let you do the transforming that is needed. You to help mold my consciousness anew. God, create me a new mind and a new heart, a new way of being. Use me, God. Express through me according to your highest plan for me. I let you form the perfect receiving consciousness within me now. Come to me now. Come to me now. Come to me now. I'm ready to receive, God. I'm ready to receive all the good you wish to give me. I am receiving now. I am receiving now. I am receiving now.